What would happen to your family if something happened to you tomorrow? Most people don't like to think about it, but avoiding the topic can leave your loved ones vulnerable. Estate planning is simply about making sure your assets, from your home to your savings, go exactly where you want them to. It's not just for the wealthy. It's for anyone who cares about protecting their family. Here's a surprising fact. Only about 1 in 4 Americans has a will. That means most families are left unprepared if something unexpected happens. Without a plan, state laws and the courts decide who inherits your property, which can drag on for months, cost thousands in fees, and sometimes cause painful family disputes. Estate planning helps you avoid this stress, giving your family a clear path forward during an already difficult time. So what exactly is estate planning? At its core, it's about making decisions now so your money, property, and personal belongings are handled the way you want later. Your estate is simply everything you own, minus your debts. That includes your home, car, bank accounts, investments, and even digital assets like social media accounts or cryptocurrency. Estate planning ensures all of this is organized and transferred smoothly, so your family isn't left guessing. A will is one of the simplest but most important parts of estate planning. It's a legal document that explains who gets your assets after you pass away and allows you to name guardians for your children. But here's the catch. A will does not avoid probate. Probate is the court process of proving your will and distributing assets, and it can be slow, public, and expensive. A will is a foundation, but on its own, it won't protect your family from the costs and delays of probate. A trust is a powerful estate planning tool that can go beyond a will. It's a legal arrangement where you place assets, like your home, investments, or bank accounts, under the control of a trustee, who manages them for your beneficiaries. Trusts can help your family avoid probate, keep your affairs private, and in some cases, even protect assets from creditors or estate taxes. They also allow you to set conditions, like when and how your children can receive their inheritance. That's real control, even after you're gone. So how do wills and trusts compare? A will only takes effect after you pass away, and it must go through probate. A trust, on the other hand, takes effect while you're alive and continues after death, often bypassing probate altogether. If asset protection and privacy are priorities, a trust may be the stronger tool. Many families use both, a will to cover basic instructions and guardianship, and a trust to protect assets and control how they're used over time. Estate planning isn't only about what happens after death. It also covers what happens if you're still alive but unable to make decisions. That's where a power of attorney comes in. This document allows you to choose someone you trust to handle your finances, sign documents, or even make healthcare decisions if you can't. Without it, your family may need to go to court just to manage your everyday affairs. A power of attorney ensures your wishes are followed and your family isn't left helpless. An advanced healthcare directive, sometimes called a living will, is another essential document. It spells out what medical treatments you do or don't want if you're ever unable to speak for yourself. Do you want life support? What about resuscitation? These are tough questions, but answering them now protects your loved ones from painful decisions later. It's a gift of clarity for your family during a difficult time. Here's something many people forget. Accounts like life insurance, retirement funds, and even some bank accounts let you name beneficiaries directly. These beneficiary forms override your will, so if you haven't updated them in years, your money could go to the wrong person. Make it a habit to review your designations, especially after major life changes like marriage, divorce, or the birth of a child. Step 1 in estate planning is making a complete list of your assets. That means everything: your home, car, retirement accounts, insurance policies, jewelry, and even digital assets like your PayPal or crypto wallet. Creating this inventory gives you a clear picture of what you have and makes it easier to decide who should get what. It also spares your family the nightmare of searching through boxes and files after you're gone. If you have children, naming a guardian in your will may be the most important step you take. This decision determines who will raise your kids if you and your partner can't. Without it, a judge will decide, and their choice may not match your wishes. Talk to the person you'd like to appoint. Make sure they're willing, and put it in writing. It's a tough conversation, but one that protects your children's future. At the very least, every adult should have 3 things: a will, a durable power of attorney, and a healthcare directive. These documents cover who inherits your property, who manages your finances if you can't, and what medical care you want. They're your safety net, ensuring your wishes are honored in any situation. Don't put it off. Having these basics in place is better than leaving your family with nothing. Many people think trusts are only for millionaires, but that's not true. If your estate is worth even around $150,000, a trust can be a smart move. It helps your family avoid probate, keeps your affairs private, and can protect assets from creditors or even an heir's divorce. A trust also gives you control. You can release money in stages, pay for education, or set rules for how assets are used. It's about giving your family guidance while protecting what you've built. The biggest mistake? Doing nothing. Many people think they don't have enough assets to bother, but that's not true. Others create documents but never update them, leaving old beneficiaries in place or forgetting to add new family members. And some hide their will so well that no one ever finds it. Avoid these mistakes. Start now, keep your plan current, and make sure your family knows where to find it. Estate planning is really about love and responsibility. They give your family security, clarity, and peace of mind when they need it most. No matter your age or income, the right time to start is now. Take the first step. Create a will, name guardians, or update your beneficiaries. Each action protects your family's future. Your loved ones will thank you for it. If this video made understanding estate planning a little less intimidating, hit like and subscribe for more simple wealth planning tips.